My name is Nick Riddle. I work for ZoomInfo Technologies, and I work as the Senior Director of Sales Compensation there.
I'm David Page. I'm a Senior Manager for Sales Compensation Systems at ZoomInfo.
ZoomInfo is essentially a company that helps other companies go to market. We have about 1,500 sales individuals across a variety of organizations there, just to really try and help drive revenue. One of our biggest complaints that we received from the sales field is a lack of visibility into what their commissions, truly what was driving them.
It was taking us sometimes over a week to configure all these rate tables.
That also led to some administrative costs where we had to hire some highly technical people to help support that tool.
We're in a world of hurt and we need to start solutioning fast. When we were evaluating different systems, we were looking at Spiff. We noticed that it felt like building in the back end of Spiff would be easy and easy to understand.
Seeing some of the demos of how easy Spiff was to use and configure really led to us feeling comfortable thinking that this was the correct move. We found out about Sin Partners. They came as a recommendation from our Salesforce AE, somebody that had extensive experience with them, as well as received a ton of critical feedback from other customers that utilized them.
They were saying, these guys are the best.
Kendall really put us at ease in the initial conversation where he made it very clear that this was us working in a partnership. I would say one of our favorite things about working with Incentive Partners was the co-building that we had in place. It was, hey, this is what we think we're going to do. Does this solve the issue? Okay, let's work together.
When you're working with them, it feels like they are part of your team. And no matter the problem that you put in front of them, they will work together with you to see that problem through to a solution. So once we discussed with them and we agreed that this structure would work for those plans, we kind of took that away and built a lot of those components on our own.
They're more focused on bringing deals in earlier. So that would help them drive to the next level and drive more revenue for the company in general.
I'm the most proud of the time savings that we have. With Spiff, we run that process every day. Going from over a day to under an hour has been huge.
The previous tool really held you guys back. It was like you were working with a tricycle and now you guys have a McLaren. It's actually two individuals that were previously in place that we were able to repurpose throughout the organization. So not only do we have less of a bottleneck at the end of the month, there's just more capacity in general for our team to focus on other areas of improvement.
We were getting comments like, wow, 100% better, fire emoji, this is great. And that made us feel like we made the right choice.